generation of you, their future gets torn. Mothers weep in the dust for the sons they have born. A beautiful culture, now tattered and worn. Oh, oh, can you hear the children cry? Can you hear them underneath the smoke-filled sky? So much pain, put down the weapon, tell me why. Why, oh why? This bloodshed must multiply. This war, it gotta cease and desist. Our existence is lost in a fatal twist. No more fight, give the struggle a kiss. All we beg for is everlasting bliss. Look upon the land once fertile and green, now scarred by the tanks and the war machine. The marketplace is silent, a ghostly scene, where the laughter of vendors used to be keen. Education's a dream, a faraway scheme, as the powerful play their deadly meme, while the continent bleeds from seam to seam, lost in a negative, destructive stream. Oh, honey, hear the children cry, hear the sin underneath the smoke-filled sky. Lord have mercy, put down the weapon, tell me why. We ask you why this bloodshed must multiply. This war, it gotta cease and desist. Our existence is lost in a fatal twist. No more fight, give the struggle a kiss. All we beg for is everlasting bliss. Is everlasting bliss. The hospitals overflow, but there's no cure for the deep-seated hatred that's never pure. Infrastructure crumbles, there is no secure, while the warlords and dealers continue to lure. The society fractures, no more obscure. The mental wounds of war, there is no suture. We're pleading for peace, a lasting fixture. Not this man-made, painful stricture. Just remain high at and the main melodic riff ad-libs echo in the bar. Peace, remember life. Time for a revolution of the mind. Leave the brutal past behind. Unity is all we need to find to heal the wounds of humankind. No more war, no more. Let the love pour, let it pour. Heal the soul, heal the land, rebuild the core. From the east to